Introducing the Cock Rocker, the ultimate indoor fun for kids. Are you ready to transform your home into a heaven of fun for your little ones? Look no further than the Cock Rocker, the ultimate indoor playing equipment for kids that combines excitement with ease of assembly. No more complex setups or confusing instructions. The Cock Rocker is designed with simplicity in mind, ensuring a hassle-free assembly process. Spend less time putting it together and more time watching your kids enjoy endless hours of play. The Cock Rocker comes in 4 different parts, each in its unique and vibrant color. Watch as your little ones' eyes light up with joy at the sight of their personalized play zone. Safety is our top priority. The Cock Rocker is crafted with precise measurements to ensure a secure and enjoyable play experience for children of various ages. The Cock Rocker is your ticket to a year-round adventure right in your living room. Join the countless families who have already embraced the joy of indoor play with the Cock Rocker. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread the joy of the Cock Rocker with fellow parents.